switch box, and male adapter with lock nut. LSZH offers single GAN and double GAN electrical switch boxes. For both single or double GAN boxes, we make the installing thread hole diameter 3.5 mm or 4 mm. We also can make other customized hole diameters for different markets. The distance of installing thread to holes center for double GAN switch box is 120 mm. For single GAN box is 60 mm. LSZH GAN switch boxes have multi-outlets. Large capacity can allow you to run high and low voltage cables easily and save cost. LSZH offers a variety size of the male adapter with a lock nut. Its push fit and inner cone design can make the connection of the conduit and adapter very tight. By using a male adapter with lock nut when making the conduit and switch box connected, can protect the wires from leaking or tearing.